this video, you will learn an idiom in Hindi. Idiom is called muhavra in Hindi. First, you will learn how to say the idiom. Then, we will explain its meaning in Hindi. That will be followed by its meaning in English. Lastly, we will give you 2 examples in form of Hindi sentences that will make use of that idiom. ध्यान से सुनिए. Listen carefully. मुहावरा. पीठ थपथपाना. पीठ थपथपाना. इसका अर्थ है प्रशंसा करना. प्रशंसा करना. The literal meaning of this idiom is to pat on the back. So it is used as an expression of praise. Now let's use this idiom in a Hindi sentence. अब हम इस मुहावरे का प्रयोग एक हिंदी वाक्य में करेंगे. पायल की मां ने उसकी पीठ थपथपाई क्योंकि पायल ने अच्छा काम किया था. Payal's mom praised her because she did a good work. Here's another example of using this idiom in a Hindi sentence. अब हम इस मुहावरे का प्रयोग एक और हिंदी वाक्य में करेंगे. राहुल के माता पिता ने ईमानदारी के लिए उसकी पीठ थपथपाई. Rahul's mom and dad praised him for his honesty.